Look, hey, I'm that bitch, but I am not your bitch. Don't get in your feelings when I call shit quick. Go on to the internet and talk your shit. You will never find another bitch like this.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today I recorded this Smokey Eye and red lip look for you dolls. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment down below of more videos you want to see. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Jumping right into the video, I already moisturized and primed off camera, so I'm jumping right in with my Becca Ultimate Coverage Foundation in the shade Sienna, and I'm going to use my flat top kabuki brush and blend that foundation in. You want to make sure you blend that foundation into your skin. Next, I'm going in with my Too Faced Multi-Sculpting Concealer in the shade Chestnut, and I'm going to highlight the high points of my face, under my eyes, Cupid's bow, chin, bridge of my nose, and forehead. Now I'm taking my Real Techniques beauty sponge and blending that concealer out. You really want to make sure you blend that concealer seamlessly into your foundation so it can look very flawless. Next, I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution foundation stick in the shade F18, and I'm going to cream contour my face. Now I'm using the ColourPop No Filter concealer in the shade Dark 46 to add an extra highlighted look under the eyes and the rest of the places that we highlighted before. Now I'm taking a flat, dense brush and I'm blending out that cream contour. Make sure you blend that cream contour seamlessly blended into your skin. Now I'm going in with that Real Techniques Beauty Blender again and blending out the rest of that concealer. Now I'm taking a Sacha Buttercup setting powder and setting all the places we put that concealer. For the first layer, you want to push the powder into your skin. Then you can go back over with the powder again and bake. Now I'm taking the Black Opal True Colors foundation powder and setting all the other areas of my face that we did not put the concealer. Now I'm going in with the Morphe x James Charles palette and using those two dark shades at the end and contouring and bronzing my face. Okay, so finally, the part everyone has been waiting on. I'm now going in with the Jaclyn Hill x Morphe palette and using that transition shade and putting that into my transition area on my eyes. This is like a warm, orangey, reddish kind of shade. If you don't have that palette, you could just use a color that's similar to the one that I use out of that palette. You just want to brush that color all on your transition area. This part is very important because once you put the black on, you want it to be very seamless and blend beautifully. Just continue to build that color up until you got the pigmentation that you need or want. Once you got your eyes to look like that, you will now go in with your black eyeshadow, whichever one you prefer. I'm starting off with the same one out of the Jaclyn Hill palette as well, and I'm just gonna lightly build that black color up. For this step, you want to use like a flat top or a very dense eyeshadow brush so the black could really pack on your lid. Like you see me doing, you want to start by packing the color only on your lid first and then gradually going up into the crease area of your eye. Whenever you're working with dark colors, black or shimmers, whatever, you always want to add an extra layer of powder to catch fallout. I forgot to do that in the beginning, but once I started working with the black, I definitely went back and added that layer of powder for protection. Now you see me going a little further up into the eye crease and adding more of that black. Slowly but surely you want to build that black color up and make sure you blend it in with that transition shade that we used in the beginning. The key to every smoky eye, every look period, is to blend, blend, blend. And blend, and blend, and blend some more. So now you see me going back in with that first transition shade and brush and blending the black into the transition shade. So you don't have no harsh lines and everything looks flawless. So after you have built up that black to where you want it and you made sure that your black and your transition shade is blended flawlessly, then you will proceed with putting on your mascara and your false lashes like you see me doing. These lashes are from my collection, Mochaas Mink collection, per usual, in the style chocolate, which is our 25mm lashes. If you would like to purchase a pair of these lashes, check out my Instagram at Makeup by Mocha and order yours today. Now I'm going in with the big black pencil and I'm going to line the bottom of my waterline. Dust the powder off that's under my eyes. Going in with that shade for a blush. I'm using that shade out of the Morphe x James Charles palette as a blush. For this look, I didn't want to use a pink blush, so I used more of an orangey tone blush so it could blend better with the eyes. And now I'm going back into that Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette and using the transition shade at the bottom of my lash line. So the same thing you did on the top, you're going to do on the bottom. I'm going in with the e.l.f. setting mist, which is one of my favorite setting sprays, and letting it dry down a bit. Adding some highlight from the Makeup Revolution highlight palette. Not too much because I'm not really a highlight head, but just wanted to add a little shimmer. Added my mold, of course. Gotta have my mold. And now we're on to the lips. I'm using this red pencil. I don't remember exactly where I got it from. I think it was Amazon. But you can use any red lip liner pencil or any color that's darker than the red lipstick that you have. Whatever you prefer. And then I'm going to go in with the MAC Ruby Woo lipstick and put that all over my lips. This is the perfect red lipstick for any skin complexion. Light, medium, dark, deep dark. Like, it goes perfect with every skin complexion, so do not be scared to use it. I'm going to set my face again with the e.l.f. setting mist, and there you have it. A flawless smoky eye and red lip glam. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!